Hello viewers, hope all is going well. According to our thumbnail, today we are finding the area of the green region of this triangle. So as we know, area is equal to 1/2 b times h, means half of height times base. So we have base square root 3 of this triangle, but the height is unknown. So let's go ahead to find the height of this triangle. Now supposing it as A, height of green region or green triangle, and it will be 1 minus A, as this is a 1 unit triangle, so it will be 1 minus A. Now according to our triangle angle bisector theorem, states that an angle bisector of a triangle divides the opposite sides into two segments that are proportional to the other two sides of the triangle. As B times D, our D times C is equal to A times B, our A times C. In same way, A, our 2, is equal to 1 minus A, our square root 3. For further solution, we are applying here cross multiply. So it will be A times square root 3 is equal to 2 times 1 minus A. A times square root 3 is equal to 2 times 1 means 2 minus 2A. So A times square root 3, keeping like terms together, plus 2A is equal to 2. Let's turn on next page. So A times square root 3 plus 2A is equal to 2. A is common and remaining stuff is square root 3 plus 2 is equal to 2. Now isolating A, to find the value of A, it will be 2 our square root 3 plus 2. The multiplying square root 3 plus 2 will be in divide. So now we have found the unknown value, which is 2 our square root 3 plus 2. Now we have all the three sides of triangle. According to our formula, area is equal to 1/2 times B times H. So we can write as A is equal to 1/2 times B, it means square root 3, times height, which is 2 our square root 3 plus 2. Substituting the values of B and H, we get 1/2 times square root 3 times 2 our square root 3 plus 2. So here we can divide 2 by 2. Area is equal to square root 3 our square root 3 plus 2. To get a divine answer, we are taking here reciprocals. So it means square root 3 minus 2 our square root minus 2. Square root 3 minus 2. So now it will be square root 3 times square root 3 will be 3 minus 2 times square root 3. And in denominator, it will be A square minus B square means 3 minus 4. So it will be minus 1. Or we can write as minus 3 minus 2 square root 3. 2 times square root 3. So the area of the green region or green triangle is square 3 minus 2 square root 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.